Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make a juicy baked chicken orange recipe. It's absolutely delicious. You've got to give it a try, guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and do not forget to subscribe if you enjoy. Okay, let's get started. After cleaning my chicken thighs, I will season with salt, complete seasoning, black pepper, onion powder, and paprika. If you want a delicious chicken thighs, take your time to season them because the secret is in the seasoning. And make sure you leave the skin to season very well, okay? Now my chicken thighs are ready, guys. Before baking them, I'm going to use a large frying pan with a lot of olive oil, and I'm going to put my chicken in it for 2 to 3 minutes because I want a good color. It's time to move our chicken thighs, and I'm going to use the same pan to make the sauce. To make my sauce, I'm going to add fresh garlic and let it cook for 20 seconds. Next, onion, tomato paste, a cup of white wine, honey, and I will use 3 sweet oranges and 1 bittersweet orange. Now I'm adding my orange juice and let it cook for 3 minutes. Let's pour the sauce over the meat. Okay family, it's time to bake our chicken thighs. I'm going to put it in the oven for 15 minutes, maybe 1 hour. Look at this guys, it's so tasty. I added a few slices of orange to enhance the flavor. Thank you for watching my video guys. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe before you leave. If you enjoyed, thumbs up the video for your sister, and see you in the next recipe. Ciao ciao.